Hello students. Today let's see the continuation part of first chapter of strategic management and organizational behavior. That is difference between goals and objectives. Let's see the comparison. Meaning goals represent what organization wishes to accomplish in future time period. So goal says the purpose towards which the efforts are made, and it is a statement about what organization wants to be in future. And objectives is a specific result that an organization aims to achieve within the time frame and with the available resource is known as the objective. So objective is concerned about specific result and it is to be achieved within a time frame, within a short period of time that should be achieved with the available resources. So objective is relating to internal aspects. It says what organization want to achieve in a short period and which are the resources are required for achieving that objective. And second difference is what are they? Goals represent the end result. It sets a destination. Goals sets a destination. It says about the future of the business. It defines the future of the business. And it says how organization want to be in future. It says about the future position of the company. And objectives represents the means to an end. So it defines the milestones that help to reach the goal. So various actions that to be taken in order to fulfill the goals of the organization. So that direction is provided by the objective. Then the third difference is time frame. Goals have a long-term orientation and goals are timeless, enduring and unending. So there will be no fixed time for achieving a goal. For example, if a company wants to be a market leader, so once it is done, once the company has become a market leader or it has got a domination or dominant position in a market, then that is done. It has to maintain that, it has to sustain that position forever. So that's why it is a continuous process. So goals are timeless. Then objectives have a short term orientation. Objectives are temporal, time phased and intended to be superseded by subsequent objectives. So objectives are short term in nature. For example, a company wants to increase its sale by 50% in the upcoming 6 months. Then when it hits the target, it can be measured through sales figure. So it sets a time frame in that purpose should be achieved. And once that objective is done, it is achieved, then next objective is framed about on that work is going to be done. So that's why objective is short term in nature and it is for temporary and it is time phased and it is cancelled when next objective is framed. Once after the achievement of objective, a new objective is framed. Then fourth difference is specificity. Goals are stated in broad and general terms dealing with matters of image, style and self-perception. There are aspirations to be worked in the future. So goals are general in nature. It covers all the functional areas of business. It tells us about the image, style and self-perception. So all these aspirations that are to be worked in the future. Then objectives are much specific, stated in terms of a particular result that will be accomplished by a specific date. That is, for example, we will increase our sales by 3% in each quarter of this year in each region. So that is objective. So every quarter there will be increase in 3% sales. So it is specific. What is to be increased? what is to be done and when it's to be done. So objective is specific and it is stated in terms of a particular result. What it wants to increase? It wants to increase sales. How? That is 3% it wants to increase in each region. So that is by within 6 months or within in each quarter. So it specifies the date and it specifies the actions to be taken for that. Then fifth difference is goals are usually stated in terms of some relevant environment which is external to the organization, so they are externally focused. So goals are relating to the external environment. For example, if a company wants to be a market leader, then it has to analyze the competitor strategy, customer preference, so all those things should be considered. So goal are relating to the matters which are external to the organization, and objectives are more internally focused and carry important implications about how resources of the organization are utilized and it will be utilized in future. So it says about the internal factors, that is strengths and weaknesses of the organization, that is considered while setting objectives. So by considering that, it will form a plan or it will form a strategy. And it says how the resources are going to be used and how it will be used in a future. Then next difference is measurement. Goals are set in qualitative and relative terms and measurement is comparatively difficult. So goals are done for a longer period of time. So with every year it is not possible to, it is very difficult, it is possible but it is very difficult to measure the working on goals. And for example, company want have a goal of have a growth in revenue. So every year we cannot predict that this much growth in revenue is done or not. So in figures we can know, but exact ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ it is not possible. But objectives are expressed in quantitative and absolute terms. So measurement is easy. So objective says we want to achieve growth in revenue by 3% in this area. So it says the period as well as it says how much it wants to increase. So it is expressed in quantitative and absolute terms. So the measurement is easy. By looking at the revenue figures, we can see whether that objective is achieved or not. So measurement is easy for the objectives, but goals measurement is comparatively difficult. Basis of expression. Expression is based on ideas. It tells about where organization want to be in future. So it tells about the idea, or it wants to have more sales every year. So idea is to increase the sales, or it has an idea to expand its business. So idea expression is based on the idea, and objective so expression is based on facts. So to increase the sales or to expand its business, what are the activities that the organization need to undertake? It says about the facts. So objective says that we will open new branches. So goal is to expand the business, and now they are setting objective relating to the goal that we will open new branches and plans in 2 states per quarter in this year. So that is what objective. It is based on the facts. Then actions required. So actions required are generic in nature. For goals, it is general. It covers entire aspects of business. So it is general in nature. And actually goals are achieved by having a series of objectives. So that's why actions which are to be undertaken under goal are general in nature. But actions required are specific in nature. In case of objective, actions are is specific in nature. It gives a clear idea that what is to be done, when is to be done, and how is to be done. It is specific. Then, purpose of action. A goal is often characterized as a change in direction that will ultimately lead to desired outcome. A goal is where you want to be. Goal tells where you want to be. That means it provides a direction that what is the outcome it wants to get in future. And objectives tend to actions aim to accomplishing a certain task. So what organization want to be in future, that is defined by a goal, and what are the various tasks that organization need to undertake, that is explained by the objectives. So series of objectives are planned in order to achieve the goal which is set. Then hierarchy. Goal tend to control objectives. A change in goal could eliminate one or more objectives, or it may add new ones. So goal will control the objectives. Based on the goal, objectives are set. When there is changes in goals are made, there may be addition or deletion of objectives. So objective comes, goals comes first, objective comes next. Based on the goal, objectives are framed. Then an objective can modify a goal, but it will seldom change in a fundamental. Very rarely it will change goal. Objectives, it can modify goal, but very rarely it will change goals. It will change goals when the objective set for achieving a goal are not reached. So objective ಅನ್ನು ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ then that means the goal is not possible to attain. That's why we need to make a changes in the goal, so that when goal is changed, definitely we have to make changes in the objective also. Materiality. Goals are abstract in nature. So goals set a wide target for the business, and it defines the general intentions and ambitions. So it tells about entire aspects about the business in future. And objectives are concrete in nature. It tells exact steps that are to be taken for reaching the goal. It is specific in nature. Thank you.